Hi friends, welcome to Jenkins series. So today in the previous videos I explained how to install Jenkins in CentOS, I mean in Amazon, EC2 machine I explained, right? So we set up the master and slave setup also. So today we'll see how to install the Jenkins in your Ubuntu machine. Like you have already VirtualBox. So inside VirtualBox, if you're running a Ubuntu machine, so how to install the Jenkins we will see in this section. Okay, so let me open my Ubuntu machine. Okay, what are the softwares required? Okay, if you see our PPT, we have around four softwares we required. One for the Java software. Why? Because Jenkins completely developed on Java, so the base software is Java you need to install. So if you want to support the Git and Maven build management and source control, you need to install the Git, Maven and Jenkins. So these softwares you need to install in your Ubuntu machine. First we'll install the JDK. Okay, all commands I will give in GitHub. I will share the URL also. Okay, just let me open the Ubuntu machine. Okay, if you type Java, if you see here Java not found, if really Java is installed or not, if you want to check Java hyphen version, if you type here you will get the Java version. Right now Java is not installed. Okay, now if you want to install the Java, you can use sudo apt install openjdk hyphen 8 hyphen jdk. I'm installing 8 version. Okay, you need to provide your username, your password, so it will install your Java software. Okay, so it will take a few minutes to, it's depend on your internet connection. So it is installing JDK. Okay, suppose if you want to run the Maven, default Java also will be installed, that is another option. Okay, so once this step is completed, we'll install the Git. Okay, this is Git is not mandatory now if you want to work, but is like a prerequisites, right? So we'll install all the software. So if you see here Java hyphen version, see 1.8.0 is a JDK environment. Now I will install sudo apt install git. Now it will be install the Git software. So it is very easy in the Linux, right? If you are using the Windows, you need to download the .exe file, then you need to install. But here all are commands only. Now your Git is installed. Now if you want to check the version, git hyphen hyphen version, see your Git is installed. Now I want to install Maven. I want to install Maven also. So for the Maven, prerequisite software is Java also. Why? Because it's a build management tool, right? So if you want to build your project, so Java path is mandatory. So if you check the Maven version, default it will give Java path also. See here, this is my Java is required. It is under which library? User lib jvm open jdk. Okay, I hope till now you are clear. These three softwares we install. Now I'm clearing my screen. Now you want to install the Jenkins. Before installing the Jenkins are providing, if you depend on the OS, CentOS, Red Hat related and Ubuntu related, they are giving some packages. Those packages you need to install before installing the Jenkins. So I already noted down. I will give you these URLs also. Just copy and just you don't need to do, just these are all the direct steps, you don't need to do anything. Okay, sorry my, okay, it is not copied properly. Copy and I will paste it here. Sorry, it not installed. Let me close my terminal again. I will open. So three softwares you install. This is the last software you need to install before using you. So my system is very fast. Click terminal. Let me paste my URL. Okay, so this is one package and another repository package. Yes, you need to add this package in your system. So in Jenkins, okay, once this step is done, just go and update sudo apt update. Okay, so it will install required packages, what all the things required. Once this step is done, now this is the time you need to install your Jenkins. Sudo apt install, okay, apt hyphen get install Jenkins. If you do here, now it will be ask yes or no, give the yes, so it will install the required packages in your system. So once this step is completed, you can start your Jenkins. So it is taking some time. So you need to do, first you need to install the JDK. Once this step is done, then you need to install the Git, Maven, then Jenkins. Here Jenkins and Maven are optional to install initial step, but I am giving all the softwares, what are the things you need to require. All the commands I will give in the GitHub repository, so that you can copy and you can install the software. So it is taking some time, it is completing. So by default this Jenkins will be run port number 8080, port number it will be run. So initially when you log in, it will be ask some default password, so that password URL also it will give to you. So around it is 55% now, so it is installing, it is taking some time. And if you installing something, if you face any difficulty, if you unable to install, remove complete the software. To removing the complete Jenkins or complete JDK, I will give those commands in the GitHub repository also. Okay, so it is around 76%, so wait for some time. So around 81, 82. And if you want to confirm that repository URLs also in the Google and type, I will show you how you can do that part. You can say Jenkins Debian packages. If you type here, you will get the URL also. So let me, so Debian Jenkins package. If you hit this URL, you will get the packages. See, these packages only I took. But here that the full command is not available. They are saying add the following entry in your sources.list. So actually we are giving in the terminal already given as a this is the command you need to add in your source. There is a jenkins.list file. In that list file you need to add this package. Okay, so it's not like a direct to copy from a website to here. Okay, now your Jenkins is installed now if you want to check whether really your Jenkins software is running or not, how you need to check? By using sudo systemctl system services, it will be check. You need to see the status. This is what we sell, status Jenkins. If you see here, see now your Jenkins software is ready now, jenkins.service. So start Jenkins. If you want to restart that, so it is started. Suppose if it is not started, what you can do, go and type start and it will be start the Jenkins. If you want to restart, just you need to provide restart command, so it will be again your software will be restart will happen. Okay, I hope you guys are clear. So default which port number will be run? If you go and Google type localhost 8080, your Jenkins software will be ready. Okay, localhost 8080. Sorry, I not given properly. Localhost colon 8080. See, this is the dashboard of your Jenkins. These are the softwares you need to install in the Ubuntu. Remaining step already you know. If you see in my previous videos, from here you got to know how to install Jenkins, everything. So until plugins, we will do this part. If you want to see the initial password, just copy and paste it here. By using the cat command. Cat copy paste your URL. Let me open and okay, so it is saying permission denied. I am using sudo cat. So this is your initial password. Even you can change the password later also, but this is the first step you need to do. Let me copy, paste it here, paste. Now continue. So here you need to install your plugins. Here there is a, if you as a developer, if you want to build basic, install the plugins, it is giving ready-made plugins. These all plugins need to install in your software. If you install these plugins, then your job is ready. So up to this part, I hope you guys are clear. Okay, so to install these plugins it will take some time. So right now I am finishing my video. So in the next section, this is a Jenkins user, right? If you create any job, you need to give some sudo permissions. How to provide those sudo permissions, I will explain in the next section. Thank you guys.